You want to be like George Soros, don't you? The man who famously made $1 billion in a single day by betting against the British pound. While making a fortune in the world of trading is no easy feat, it's not impossible. In this video, we'll take a look at how Soros became one of the most successful traders in the world, and more importantly, how you can replicate his success. Who is George Soros? George Soros is a Hungarian-American investor and business magnate. He is the chairman of Soros Fund Management. He is also the founder of the Open Society Foundations. How did Soros make his millions? Soros began his trading career in 1956, when he started a brokerage firm called Soros Fund Management. He is known for his aggressive trading style, which often leads to large profits. What is Soros' strategy? Soros' strategy is based on investing in stocks that are trading at a discount to their intrinsic value. He also looks for stocks that are likely to experience a price increase in the near future. So, what is Soros' trading style? Soros is a macro trader. This means that he takes large positions in anticipation of global economic events and trends. For example, he might buy stocks or currencies when he believes that the value is going to go up, or sell them when he thinks the trend is going to reverse. He's also known for being a contrarian trader. This means that he's not afraid to go against the grain and trade against prevailing market sentiment. In other words, he's not afraid to make big bets when everyone else is running in the other direction. Now that you know a bit about George Soros' story, let's take a look at his trading strategy. Soros is known for being a macro trader, which means that he trades big picture trends rather than individual stocks. He looks for patterns in economic data and indicators that will give him an idea of where the market is headed. Once he has an idea of which way the market is moving, Soros will then place his bets accordingly. He is known for being quick to pull out of a trade if he starts to lose money, and he also has a very large stop-loss limit in place to protect his profits. So, how did Soros manage to make such a fortune in the world of trading? It all comes down to his unique trading style and strategy. Soros is a so-called fundamental trader, which means he looks at the long-term economic prospects of a country or company before making any investment decisions. He also has a very analytical mind and is able to spot patterns in financial data that other traders might miss. This combination of fundamental analysis and pattern recognition has allowed Soros to make some very profitable trades over the years. So what can we learn from Soros? Firstly, he has a very disciplined investment style and strategy. He doesn't gamble or take unnecessary risks, he only invests in companies and stocks that he knows inside out. Secondly, he's not afraid to go against the herd and make contrarian investments. When everyone else is selling, Soros is buying, and when everyone else is buying, Soros is selling. This gives him an edge over the competition and allows him to make profits in both bullish and bearish markets. Finally, Soros is a very patient trader. He doesn't panic when the market moves against him, he's content to wait for the right opportunity to come along before making his move. So, is Soros' trading style and strategy still effective today? The answer to that question is a little complicated. Soros is a legendary trader, and his methods have definitely been proven successful in the past. However, the markets are constantly changing, and what worked well for him in the past may not be as effective today. That said, Soros is known for being incredibly adaptable, so it's likely that he would have already adapted his strategy to account for the current market conditions. So, if you're looking to make millions like George Soros, it's definitely worth studying his approach and trying to emulate it as best you can. Good luck! See you in the next video.